Hello, audience. Welcome to this episode of Singularity Horizon. I'm your host, Horizon. Today, we are joined by a legendary entrepreneur in the robotics field who led his team to pioneer low-cost, high-performance quadruped robots, bringing Chinese robotic technology to the world stage. Let's give a round of applause for Wang Xingxing, founder and CEO of Unitree Robotics.
Hello, Miss Horizon. Hello, everyone. I am very pleased to be on Singularity Horizon to share the growth story of Unitree Robotics and our understanding of the mobile intelligent AI era.
Mr. Wang, first, I really want to ask you, Unitree was founded in 2016, and in just a few years, it has become a globally renowned robotics company. What was your initial mission? Was it always about building a robotics empire?
Actually, the mission was quite pure. I was fascinated by quadruped robots during my master's studies. Around 2013, I independently developed the X-Dog. At that time, I felt traditional robots were too expensive and inaccessible to ordinary people. I wanted to change that, to bring high-performance robots into more people's lives. So the core mission of founding Unitree is using technology to change the world, lighting up the human technology tree to make mobile intelligence truly serve life and industry.
Truly admirable. Going from individual research to founding a company, there must have been many challenges. Now Unitree's positioning is world-leading AI plus mobile robotics company. What specific business segments does this positioning include?
We mainly focus on the R&D, production, and sales of high-performance mobile robots, dexterous robotic arms, 4D LiDAR, and other core products for both consumer and industrial levels. Simply put, it's a full chain layout of hardware plus algorithms plus ecosystem. From core components to complete products, and then to industry solutions, we have achieved independent control.
We know Unitree was the world's first company to publicly sell high-performance quadruped robots and is also an industry leader in deployment. What do you think is the key to Unitree standing out in global competition?
The key lies in technology first, full industry chain self-development. From core components like motors and reducers to perception, control, decision algorithms, and to the overall mechanical structure, over 90% are independently developed. This vertical integration capability allows us to rapidly iterate products while controlling costs, achieving a balance between high performance and cost effectiveness, which is rare in the industry. Moreover, we started promoting industry application as early as 2017, years ahead of many competitors, accumulating vast amounts of real-world scenario data and experience.
Mr. Wang, you just mentioned full industry chain self-development, which truly represents hardcore capabilities. Could you elaborate on where Unitree's core technological advantages are concentrated? For example, what kind of black technology is behind the quadruped robots everyone is familiar with?
Sure. The core technology of quadruped robots can be summarized into three main parts: power plus perception plus control. For power, our self-developed motors and reducers achieve high torque, lightweight, and IP68 protection, allowing them to work underwater and in harsh environments. For perception, our 4D LiDAR L1 is the industry's first ultra-wide FOV product with minimal blind spots, yet priced at less than 1/10 of traditional products. For control, our high dynamic motion control algorithms enable robots to run, climb slopes, and overcome obstacles on complex terrain with stability far exceeding that of peers.
Wow, IP68 protection rating. This means the robot is completely waterproof and dustproof. That's amazing. Unitree's product portfolio now covers consumer and industrial grades. Are the design logics for these two types of products very different? For example, the consumer-grade Go series and industrial-grade B series target very different scenarios, right?
Very different. Consumer products like the Go 2 focus on being user-friendly plus intelligent. We price them affordably for ordinary families while integrating AI large models, supporting voice interaction, autonomous obstacle avoidance, and intelligent following, mainly for companionship, entertainment, and light service. For industrial-grade products like the B2, the core requirement is reliability plus heavy payload. It can carry 40 kg continuously for 5 hours with a speed of 6 meters says, mainly used for high-intensity scenarios like power inspection, mine rescue, and logistics, requiring durability in harsh environments.
I see. Besides quadruped robots, Unitree also has dexterous robotic arms and LiDAR as core components. Why invest significant effort in self-developing these components instead of purchasing them?
That's a good question. Initially, we also tried purchasing, but found that components on the market either didn't meet performance standards, were too expensive, or didn't match our robot's functions. For example, for robotic arms, we needed lightweight, high-precision, force feedback products, which were hard to find ready-made. Self-developing components not only optimizes product performance, but also makes the industry chain more controllable and speeds up product iteration. For instance, if we want to upgrade a robot's function, we don't need to wait for a supplier. We can implement it quickly ourselves.
Indeed, mastering core technology means mastering initiative. I heard Unitree also has cross-innovation products, like the Pump Fitness Pump, whose core power actually comes from robotic joint technology. How did that idea come about?
It's actually an extension application of our technology. Our robotic joint force control technology is very mature, able to precisely control force and resistance. We thought, could we apply this technology to fitness? Traditional fitness equipment is either bulky or single functional. The Pump Fitness Pump weighs only 700 g, can simulate resistance from various fitness equipment, covers over 90% of muscle groups, connects to an app for professional course guidance, and sold nearly 10,000 units in its first year, proving our technology's potential in the consumer market.
Mr. Wang, AI technology is now developing rapidly. As an AI plus mobile robotics company, how does Unitree deeply integrate AI technology with robot hardware? Is this the core evolutionary direction for future robots?
Absolutely. Traditional robots are merely execution tools, while AI plus robots can turn them into intelligent agents, which is a qualitative leap. We realized this early, so we took the lead in cooperating with leading AI companies like IFlyTech, Paddle, and Google AI Lab, aiming to make robots not only capable of running and jumping, but also capable of seeing, hearing, and thinking.
Specifically, what are the practical applications of AI technology in Unitree's robots? For example, what changes brought by AI can we feel in consumer robots used daily?
The changes are very intuitive. For example, our go-to robot is equipped with AI large models and 4D LiDAR, enabling all-terrain autonomous obstacle avoidance. When you take it out, it automatically avoids obstacles without bumping into people or things. In terms of voice interaction, you can talk to it, ask it to fetch things, announce information, or even chat with you. There's also the visual recognition function, accurately recognizing faces, following only the owner, and monitoring the environment, alerting to abnormalities. These are the intelligence AI technology endows robots with.
Sounds like a smart companion. What role can AI play in industrial application scenarios? For example, in high-risk scenarios like power inspection. How much efficiency can AI improve?
AI's value is even more prominent in industrial scenarios. Taking power inspection as an example, traditional manual inspection is inefficient, risky, and prone to missed inspections. Our inspection robots are equipped with AI visual algorithms, automatically identifying issues like line aging and equipment abnormalities with accuracy surpassing manual inspection, and they can work 24/7. More importantly, robots can collect data in real time, upload it to the cloud platform for quantitative analysis, forming a data closed loop, enabling companies to predict faults in advance, which is impossible with manual inspection.
Incredible! The motion imitation technology from Unitree's cooperation with Google AI Lab also sounds interesting. What previously impossible actions can this enable robots to achieve?
This technology allows robots to learn actions like humans. For example, using reinforcement learning algorithms, robots can imitate animal movement postures or complex human actions like running, jumping, climbing, and even dancing. Our robot swarm dance performances at the Spring Festival Gala and Asian Games were applications of this technology. In the future, robots can also learn more professional skills like precise operation and emergency rescue, with increasingly broad application scenarios.
Mr. Wang, Unitree's robots have achieved full scene deployment. Could you give us a few of the most impressive application cases? Let the audience feel more intuitively how robots are changing production and life.
Sure. First, in the 2B sector, power inspection for state grid is a very typical case. Power lines are mostly in the wild with complex environments. Manual inspection is not only laborious, but also dangerous. Our B1 robot can walk on rugged terrain, cross 20 meter steps, withstand temperatures from 5C to 45CT. Its sensors can monitor line temperature and appearance defects in real time, uploading data immediately, greatly improving inspection efficiency and safety. It's now deployed in multiple provinces.
Very practical. It truly solves industry pain points. In rescue scenarios, what role can robots play? For example, in fires, collapse accidents, can robots replace humans entering dangerous areas?
Absolutely. In fire rescue scenarios, our robots can enter environments filled with smoke and toxic gases, transmitting internal conditions in real time via cameras and gas sensors, helping rescuers determine the location of trapped people and environmental safety. In some collapse accidents, our robots can enter narrow spaces for exploration and data collection, providing key support for rescue decisions. Moreover, robots can operate for over 2 hours, working for extended periods in dangerous environments, which humans cannot.
Very meaningful. What about the 2C sector? Have Unitree's consumer robots entered ordinary households? What services do they mainly provide?
Yes, our Go 1 and Go 2 have entered many households. For home companionship, robots can interact with children, tell stories, teach knowledge. For the elderly, they can monitor health conditions and trigger alarms in emergencies. There's also entertainment functions, performing dances and interactive games. We've had user feedback that the elderly and children in the family love them. The robot becomes a smart companion for the family. And our Pump Fitness pump enables many people to exercise anytime, anywhere, especially popular among young people.
I didn't realize robots have such wide application scenarios. Besides these, Unitree's robots are also popular in research and education, right? I heard many top universities use Unitree's products for research.
Correct. Top global universities like Stanford, Berkeley, University of Tokyo, and many domestic research institutions use our robots for research. Because our robots are highly open, supporting secondary development, researchers can conduct research on motion control, AI algorithms, human-robot interaction, etc. based on our platform. So far, many papers based on Unitree robots have been published in top international journals, and we have cultivated many talents for the industry.
Mr. Wang, as a Chinese company, Unitree has achieved remarkable results in the global market. Could you introduce Unitree's global layout? Is overseas market expansion going smoothly?
Our global layout started early. Now our products are sold in over 20 countries and regions, with overseas revenue accounting for 50%, meaning overseas and domestic markets are equally important. During expansion, we did face challenges like different countries' technical standards and market demand differences. But with our products' high performance and cost effectiveness, we gradually opened up the market. Currently, in the global quadruped robot market, our market share exceeds 70%, with cumulative shipments reaching thousands of units, making us the absolute industry leader.
Over 70% market share. That's astonishing. Who are Unitree's overseas customers mainly? More enterprise clients or also many consumer clients?
Both. For enterprise clients, tech giants like Google, Nvidia, Samsung are our customers, using our robots for R&D and scenario validation. For industry clients, overseas power companies, security firms, rescue organizations also use our products extensively. For consumer clients, overseas geek communities and household users highly recognize our products, especially the Go series, which has a good reputation overseas. Our online channels like Amazon and our own website also show continuous sales growth.
How does Unitree balance product strategies for domestic and overseas markets? After all, customer needs may differ across regions.
The core is standardized products plus localized adaptation. Our core products, like robot hardware and basic algorithms, have global unified standards, ensuring consistent performance. Then, for different regional needs, we perform localized adaptation, like language support, compliance certification, after-sales service, etc. For example, in the European market, we adapt to CE certification and support multilingual interaction. In Southeast Asia, we optimize the robot's adaptability to high temperature and humidity. This ensures product competitiveness while meeting regional differentiated needs.
Besides commercial clients, Unitree also cooperates with many top global universities. How does this help Unitree's technological development?
It helps tremendously. Cooperation with top universities is win-win. Universities use our robots for research, providing valuable technical feedback and improvement suggestions, helping us optimize products. Meanwhile, university research outcomes may integrate with our products, driving technological innovation. For example, some projects with UC Berkeley and MIT have applied their AI algorithms to our robots, enhancing intelligence. Moreover, through university cooperation, we also enhance the brand's academic influence, attracting many excellent talents.
Mr. Wang, humanoid robots are now a hot topic. Unitree has many moves in this area, releasing H1 in 2023, G1 in 2024, R1 and H2 in 2025. Could you detail Unitree's humanoid robot progress? Compared to other brands, what are Unitree humanoid robots' advantages?
Sure, humanoid robots are a key strategic direction for us. Actually, our humanoid robot R&D is built upon quadruped robot technology accumulation, so progress is fast. The H1 released in 2023 is China's first full-size general-purpose humanoid robot capable of running, with top speed reaching 5+ ms. At the 2025 World Humanoid Robot Games, it won 4 gold medals, an outstanding achievement. The G1 released in 2024 is positioned as an AI avatar robot, 127 cm tall, 35 kg weight, flexibility exceeding humans, starting at $16,000, with high cost performance. The R1 released in 2025 is ultra lightweight, only 25 kg, supporting full customization. H2 is 180 cm tall with bionic design, more suitable for service scenarios.
5+ ms speed, amazing. Is Unitree humanoid robots' strong performance due to previous quadruped robot technology accumulation?
Absolutely. The core technologies of humanoid and quadruped robots are common, like motors, reducers, motion control algorithms, perception systems. We have years of technology accumulation and mass production experience in quadruped robots. Reusing these technologies in humanoid robots saves us many detours. For example, our motor technology achieves high torque and lightweight, crucial for humanoid motion performance. Our perception algorithms enable robots to accurately judge the environment, ensuring motion safety. Moreover, our full industry chain self-development capability effectively controls costs, making humanoid robots more affordable, which is our core advantage.
What application scenarios are Unitree's humanoid robots mainly targeting? Will they enter ordinary households in the future?
Currently, there are several directions. First, industrial scenarios like precision manufacturing, logistics handling. Humanoid robots can adapt to human work environments, replacing repetitive, high-intensity tasks. Second, service scenarios like hotel service, medical assistance, home companionship. H2 and R1 are designed for these. Third, research and education. G1 and H1 are already adopted by many universities and research institutions. In the next 3-5 years, with further cost reduction and technology maturity, humanoid robots will definitely enter ordinary households, becoming smart assistants helping with chores, caring for the elderly, and children, providing life services.
Very exciting. What are Unitree's goals in the humanoid robot field? To become a global leading humanoid robot supplier?
Our goal is to create platform-level intelligent terminals for the mobile intelligent AI era, just like PCs and mobile phones in the past, making humanoid robots tools accessible to everyone. We aim not only to be a hardware supplier, but also to build an ecosystem, open interfaces, enabling more developers to create applications based on our platform, enriching robot functionalities. In the future, we hope Unitree humanoid robots will deeply integrate into various production and life scenarios, becoming an industry leader in the mobile intelligent AI era.
Mr. Wang, Unitree robots not only succeeded in technology and market, but also appeared multiple times at major events like Spring Festival Gala, Winter Olympics, Asian Games, becoming a technology name card. How did you feel then? How do these events help brand promotion?
Every time I see our robots appearing at major events, I feel very excited and proud. At the 2021 Oxyear Spring Festival Gala, 24A1 robots transformed into Oxen Ben Ben, performing alongside stars like Andy Lau, marking the world's first dynamic positioning swarm dance for quadruped robots. At the 2022 Winter Olympics opening ceremony, 109 Fu-Hu robots formed the word Winter Olympics, showcasing China's robotic technology to the world. At the 2025 Snake Year Spring Festival Gala, the Yangbot performed by 16 H1 robots sparked a nationwide imitation trend. These events not only enhance brand awareness, but more importantly, let the general public feel the charm of robotic technology, promoting industry popularization.
Indeed, I remember during the Hangzhou Asian Games, Unitree robots were responsible for delivering discus and javelin, called eye catchers by netizens, very popular. Besides these cultural and sports events, does Unitree's technology also apply to social welfare and disaster prevention?
Yes, we always value technology's social value. In disaster prevention, our robots participated in national earthquake rescue drills, capable of exploration and search and rescue at disaster sites like earthquakes and floods, supporting rescue work. In replacing dangerous jobs, our robots have replaced humans in high-risk operations in industries like mining, chemical, and power, reducing safety accidents. In assisting the elderly and disabled, our robots provide companionship, care, and life assistance, improving their quality of life. These social values are as important as commercial success.
Unitree has also done much to promote industry development, like setting standards and cultivating talents. Could you elaborate?
As an industry leader, we have the responsibility to promote the healthy development of the entire industry. In standard setting, we participated in formulating multiple robotics industry standards, regulating product technical requirements and testing methods. In talent cultivation, we cooperate with many domestic and foreign universities, establishing scholarships, building joint labs, cultivating many professionals for the industry. In technology sharing, we open-sourced some algorithms and development tools, enabling more developers to participate in robot application innovation. We believe only when the entire industry develops can Unitree go further.
Unitree's corporate culture is extreme insight, self-achievement, cooperation win-win. How is this reflected in the company's development?
Extreme insight requires us to deeply understand user needs and industry pain points, creating truly valuable products. Self-achievement encourages the team to innovate constantly, pursue excellence, everyone achieving self-value at work. Cooperation win-win means growing together with customers, partners, universities, developers, building a positive industry ecosystem. For example, our cooperation with IF Lytech and Paddle Paddle embodies cooperation win-win, integrating both sides' advantages to promote AI plus robot technology deployment. Our team has over 200 people, R&D accounting for nearly 40%, average age under 30. Everyone passionate, striving for the same goal.
Mr. Wang, the mobile intelligent AI era has arrived. What do you think are the future development trends of the robotics industry? Will there be explosive growth?
I believe there will be. The robotics industry is on the eve of an explosion. First, mature AI technology provides robots with a brain, turning them from execution tools into intelligent agents capable of understanding, decision-making, and learning. Second, advances in core component technology improve robot performance and reduce costs, enabling mass popularization. Finally, policy support and market demand drive growth together. Demand for robots is rapidly increasing in industry, service, and consumer sectors. According to industry forecasts, the robotics market's compound annual growth rate will reach around 25% in the coming years. A trillion-yuan blue ocean market.
Trillion yuan market. Very exciting. As an industry leader, what are Unitree's development plans for the next few years? Which directions will you focus on?
In the future, we will focus on three directions. First, product iteration, continuously upgrading quadruped and humanoid robot performance, launching more form factors to meet different scenario needs. Second, technology innovation, focusing on deep integration of AI large models and robots, enhancing intelligent interaction and autonomous decision-making, making robots understand humans better. Third, ecosystem expansion, opening our hardware platform and software interfaces, empowering more developers and partners to enrich robot application scenarios together. Our goal is to bring high-performance mobile robots into thousands of households, making them core terminals of the mobile intelligent AI era.
Regarding technology R&D, what challenges will Unitree face in the future? For example, humanoid robot stability, endurance are industry challenges. What are Unitree's solutions?
Challenges indeed exist, like humanoid robot energy density, motion stability, naturalness of human-robot interaction. Our solution remains full industry chain self-development plus continuous iteration. For energy density, we are cooperating with battery manufacturers to develop higher energy density batteries while optimizing robot energy consumption management algorithms. For motion stability, based on vast scenario data, we continuously optimize motion control algorithms, enabling robots to adapt to more complex environments. For human-robot interaction, we deeply integrate AI large models, enabling robots to understand natural language, expressions, and actions, achieving more natural interaction. Technology R&D has no shortcuts. Only continuous investment and constant trial and error lead to breakthroughs.
Finally, what are your expectations for the future of the robotics industry? How do you think robots will ultimately change human life and work?
I expect robots to become human partners, not replacements. In the future, robots will undertake dangerous, heavy, repetitive tasks, allowing humans more time for creativity, emotion, and self-realization. In life, robots will become household smart assistants, caring for the elderly, accompanying children, managing chores. At work, robots will become workplace-capable helpers, improving efficiency and reducing labor intensity. I believe with technological development, robots will deeply integrate into human production and life, making the world better, more efficient, safer. This is also Unitree's long-standing vision, using technology to change the world, lighting up the human technology tree.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wang, for the wonderful sharing. Now, there are a few questions from the audience that I'd like to ask on their behalf. First question, when can ordinary consumers buy more cost-effective humanoid robots? Roughly what price range?
Many people ask this. We plan to launch consumer-grade humanoid robots in the price range of 50,000 to 100,000 yuan within the next 2-3 years, making them affordable for more ordinary families. Currently, our G1 starts at $16,000, mainly targeting research and high-end consumer markets. With mass production and technology maturity, costs will gradually decrease, making consumer-grade products more affordable.
Second question, how does Unitree ensure after-sales service? For example, if a robot malfunctions, how can users get it repaired?
After-sales service is a crucial aspect we highly value. We have established after-sales service centers in major cities globally. Domestic users can apply for repairs via online app or offline stores. Overseas users can get support through local agents or our global service hotline. Moreover, our robots support OTA remote updates. Many software issues can be resolved via remote updates. Additionally, we offer a 1-year warranty. For non-human damage faults within the warranty period, we provide free repair or component replacement.
Third question, will Unitree consider entering new application fields in the future? For example, agriculture, healthcare.
Yes, agriculture and healthcare are new fields we focus on. In agriculture, we plan to develop robots suitable for farmland environments for sowing, fertilizing, harvesting, pest monitoring, helping farmers improve efficiency. In healthcare, we will develop medical assistance robots for patient care, rehabilitation training, medicine delivery, reducing medical staff workload. Besides these, we will continue exploring more new application scenarios, serving more industries with robotic technology.
Thank you very much for your patient answers, Mr. Wang. Finally, could you summarize Unitree's core competitiveness and future aspirations in one sentence?
Unitree's core competitiveness is full industry chain self-development, past deep AI integration, past full scene deployment. We can create the best products at the lowest cost, serving the most users with the most mature technology. In the future, we hope Unitree robots can enter thousands of households, becoming standard equipment in the mobile intelligent AI era, using technology to make human life and work better.
Excellent! Thank you again, Mr. Wang Xingxing, for joining Singularity Horizon today, bringing us so much cutting-edge information and profound insights about the robotics industry. Also, thank you, audience, for watching. If you want to learn more about Unitree's products and updates, please visit their official website. See you next time.
Thank you, Ms. Horizon. Thank you, everyone. Looking forward to meeting again.